Have you thought about retiring early? Laying on the beach and sipping your favorite drinks every day? While you are still young and active, traveling the world, pursuing hobbies, or simply relaxing from stressful 9-to-5 jobs. Having a mid-age crisis and not sure why you are doing what you are doing? Wander around all day trying to find your life purpose? You will find all the answers from this video. The early retirement dream can be your reality. As Warren Buffett once said, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Let's plant your tree today. Phase 1, Understanding your financial target. In Phase 1, we embark on a pivotal journey to define your freedom figure for a comfortable retirement. This concept is anchored in the Rule of 25. According to the rule, you should amass savings equal to 25 times your annual retirement expenses, ensuring you can withdraw 4% yearly, adjusted for inflation. This approach is born from an analysis of historical stock market performances. It balances average returns against inflation, and provides a sustainable withdrawal rate. The Rule of 25 is a derivation of the famous 4% retirement rule, a principle widely embraced in retirement planning. The 4% retirement rule is a brainchild of financial planning studies. It suggests that withdrawing 4% annually from a diversified portfolio in retirement has a high probability of the portfolio lasting 30 years or more. This rule is grounded in the Trinity study. The Trinity study is a financial model analyzing various withdrawal rates and their impact on retirement savings over time. It offers a pragmatic approach to retirement planning. In addition, it emphasizes the importance of adjusting spending according to market performance and inflation rates. Your unique lifestyle and retirement aspirations significantly shape your freedom figure. Whether you dream of globetrotting adventures, pursuing new hobbies, or cherishing moments with family, each choice dictates your financial needs. As John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, wisely advised, the greatest enemy of a good plan is the dream of a perfect plan. Thus, having a realistic and flexible planning is key. For instance, if you anticipate needing $100,000 annually in retirement, multiplying this by 25 equates to a $2.5 million target fund. Conversely, a more modest annual requirement of $50,000 leads to a $1.25 million goal. This demonstrates how lifestyle choices directly influence your retirement savings target. By utilizing the Rule of 25 to calculate your freedom figure, you embark on a disciplined path of saving and practical financial planning. However, it's crucial to remember that this rule offers only an estimate with high probabilities, not guarantees. Real-life scenarios can vary, so it's wise to aim for a retirement fund larger than your calculated need. Flexibility and a safety margin are key in retirement planning, ensuring you're well prepared for any unforeseen changes or challenges in your later years. Phase 2, Laying solid foundations. Phase 2 is about building a robust financial base. Firstly, let's address high-interest debts, particularly those from credit cards. This kind of debt can quickly spiral out of control, shackling you with interest rates that devour your financial resources. Dave Ramsey always stresses the importance of being debt-free, saying, "Debt is dumb. Cash is king." In tackling high-interest debts, consider two effective strategies: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche methods. The debt snowball approach focuses on paying off debts from the smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. This method offers quick wins, boosting your motivation. On the other hand, the debt avalanche targets debts with the highest interest rates first, potentially saving you more money in interest over time. Both strategies have their merits. The snowball method fuels psychological wins, while the avalanche method is mathematically efficient. Choose the one that aligns with your financial habits and motivations. Whichever route you prefer, the key is to start doing it today. Taking action now is the first step toward regaining control over your finances and paving the way to a debt-free life. Now, let's talk about establishing an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It protects you from unexpected life events, such as a job loss or medical emergencies. An emergency fund is the foundation of financial security. Begin by setting aside a small amount regularly, even if it's just a few dollars from each paycheck. Gradually, you'll build a fund that covers several months of your expenses, providing peace of mind and financial security. For those of you who wants to know how to save $10,000 fast, I'll drop the video link at the end. Lastly, we need to understand the distinction between good and bad debt. It is a crucial topic in financial planning. Good debt, such as a well-structured mortgage or student loans, can potentially lead to wealth accumulation. It often involves borrowing to invest in assets that increase in value or generate income. On the other hand, bad debt, exemplified by high-interest credit cards, does little to enhance your financial position and often depreciates in value. One of the most famous books on this topic is The Rich Dad Poor Dad. The author, Robert Kiyosaki, explains how good debt makes you rich while bad debt makes you poor. This distinction emphasizes the strategic use of debt as a tool for building wealth, rather than a burden. The key is to manage good debts wisely and ensure they contribute to your overall financial growth. This could involve using a mortgage for property investment, or student loans for education that boosts your earning potential. On the flip side, it's crucial to minimize or totally eliminate bad debts. Generally speaking, bad debts are often tied to depreciating assets like car loans, or high-interest consumer spending, such as using credit cards for luxury travels. These types of debts can quickly erode financial stability and should be managed carefully to maintain a healthy financial profile. Ultimately, whether a debt is good or bad depends on how it aligns with your financial goals and your ability to manage it effectively. Make informed decisions about incurring debt, and remember, strategic debt management is a powerful tool in achieving financial freedom. Phase 3, Building Multiple Income Streams. In Phase 3, the focus is on diversifying income streams. It's a crucial aspect of financial stability and accelerated retirement. Relying solely on one income source can be risky, as economic shifts or job loss can severely impact your financial situation. Taking inspiration from Elon Musk, who diversified his ventures across various industries, it's both wise and necessary to explore multiple avenues. Consider initiating a side hustle. Utilize your personal skills and interests to create an online business or engage in freelance work. This approach converts your passions into profitable ventures. Another viable route is investing in the stock market. Focus on long-term strategies, particularly with broad market low-cost index funds. These can offer considerable returns through dividends and appreciation. Start with a portfolio that's small and manageable. Make sure you prioritize education in your investment journey. Additionally, real estate investment presents a valuable opportunity. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate, offering rental income and potential for capital gains. Prior to investing, conduct thorough research, and choose the markets and properties that align with your specific investment goals. Invest consistently and take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like 401k and Roth IRAs. It will help your money grow exponentially over time. As a result of multiple income streams, you not only reduce potential risks, but also accelerate your journey towards financial independence and early retirement. Phase 4, Knowing Who You Are. Financial freedom and early retirement are not merely about wealth accumulation, they are about crafting a life that resonates with your deepest values and dreams. Retirement is not the final goal but rather a solid foundation for discovering and pursuing your true life's purpose. It opens a chapter where financial stability empowers you to embrace passions you've always dreamt of. It's a tool that can help you to contribute meaningfully to the world. Embarking on a journey to discover your life's purpose is like an exhilarating adventure of self-discovery. One effective approach is to envision your ideal future self and then trace the steps back to your current situation. This means defining who you aspire to be and allowing that vision to guide your decisions today. A powerful exercise in this process is writing your own epitaph, a concise yet powerful statement that encapsulates the legacy you aim to leave behind. This personal epitaph serves as a compass, directing your actions and choices in the present. Take inspiration from Stendhal, who penned his own epitaph: "He lived, he wrote, he loved." This simple phrase beautifully captures the essence of his life and work. Stendhal foresaw that his literary contributions, notably works like The Red and the Black and the Charterhouse of Parma, might not receive recognition until long after his time. Yet, this did not deter his passion for writing. His enduring commitment to his craft not only resulted in classics but also significantly influenced many writers in the 19th and 20th centuries. Stendhal's life and epitaph exemplify how a clear sense of purpose can guide one's journey, leaving a lasting impact that transcends time. If you still don't know where to start, don't worry, it's indeed very common. Transitioning from the routine of a 9-to-5 job to having abundant free time can be daunting. Make sure you keep engaging social interactions. Start by re-engaging with hobbies and activities you've always enjoyed. This could range from artistic endeavors like painting or writing, to outdoor pursuits such as gardening or hiking. Community service offers not just fulfillment but also a chance to connect with like-minded individuals. Volunteering in local organizations can be both rewarding and enriching. Additionally, exploring new skills can open unexpected doors, and mentoring others can offer immense satisfaction. Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." This highlights the importance of finding joy in your pursuits. Reflect on your experiences, journal your thoughts, and pay attention to what genuinely resonates with you. The key is to discover what brings you joy and fulfillment. In this journey of exploration, each step you take is about understanding yourself better and aligning your life with what you truly value. It's about creating a life where each day is lived with purpose and passion. As we conclude this enlightening journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the powerful insights and strategies we've explored. This isn't just about early retirement, it's about reshaping your life to align with your deepest values and aspirations. Remember, retirement is a new beginning, a stable platform to rediscover your passions and contribute meaningfully to the world. We've navigated through the essential phases of financial planning, from understanding your freedom figure with the Rule of 25, to laying a solid financial foundation by tackling debts and establishing an emergency fund. We've delved into the importance of diversifying income streams and embraced the profound realization that retirement planning is as much about financial growth as it is about personal growth. As we part ways, remember that the path to financial freedom is unique for each individual. It's about finding joy in what you do, constantly learning, and aligning your financial strategies with your life goals. This journey doesn't end here. It's an ongoing process of discovery, growth, and fulfillment. Keep working towards your financial goals and be kind to the others. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in our exploration, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with those embarking on their own financial journeys, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into achieving financial independence and living a life filled with purpose and passion. See you in our next video.